All right, here we are today at STONEYRUN Farms in Pennsylvania. We're actually on a working farm. We're gonna cook some cattle about 100 feet from the cattle, which is gonna be amazing. We've got three great teams here today. Scott, come up here, brother.
Hello.
Tell everybody your name and where you're from.
Scott McDonald, Springfield, Massachusetts.
Got Keith and Angel. Angel, tell them your name and where you're from.
Hi, I'm Angel Todd. I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
Hi, I'm Keith Todd. I'm from West Newton, Pennsylvania. As long as I beat her, we're all happy.
Does somebody have to drive home if someone else wins?
He has to drive.
I have to drive home no matter
Drive home,
what.
period?
Yeah, that's why we brought Jem with us to moderate the drive home.
I thought you had somebody to buffer.
Yeah, I've been beat before by her, so.
Won't be the last time, I think. You feel lucky?
Luckier than yesterday.
Well, here's your tickets. Pick one of these. Today we're going to start with flank steak.
They're trying to kill each other, and I'm just going to kind of sneak on in, and because if he beats her, awesome. If she beats him, awesome. I'm like, if I come in the middle, then I'm friends with the one that I didn't beat. So it's awesome. It's like a win-win situation. I think what we're going to do is watch a quick YouTube video on how to cook flank steak. The best part is they think I'm joking. So.
The competition's watching YouTube videos.
Yeah, that's all right. He'll be all right.
Looks like Angel's got a hair pick going over here.
I do.
Can I borrow that, lady?
You're gonna need it.
Where I come from, fat's flavor. So I'm not going to take much of it off. Allegro. Hickory smoked Allegro. So I think, anyway, with a cut like this, less is more. That's just me.
I'm gonna salt brine it for a while, try to tenderize it, put our rub on there, and let her go.
This is Japanese Wagyu you did.
I know. We're not gonna go very long.
You're not going to make baby food out of
Nope.
this? No.
Nope, we're just gonna give it a little bit.
All right.
Or so he thinks.
So he thinks.
Yeah.
And what are you doing over there with that hair pick?
Putting the hair pick in it.
Did you get that at Wawa on your way here?
No,
No?
sheets.
Sheets, okay.
Sheets.
You're the other side of Pennsylvania.
Yes.
I don't think we're going to need to tenderize anything, so I'm not going to do a dry tenderize. I'm going to do a dry brine, and I'm going to vacuum bag it. So.
I didn't know Bill Nye the Science Guy was filming here.
Same.
What the hell?
Got it.
There you go, baby. Are you chilling?
I have nothing to do, Scott.
That's it?
Okay.
Just sit
So
there and
let's
look
do
awesome?
this.
That's your job today?
Like to- Okay, middle it is. You got it?
Thank you, guys.
Angel, still in the middle.
Still in the middle. Take this one.
Did my finger move like this? Did that happen?
Might have been a hint.
This
I
one
guess
or
I guess I have no choice,
How
huh?
about this one?
Okay, I'll take this one.
All right, so that's center cut sirloin. See what happens. All right, Todd, do you cook a lot of sirloins at home?
Nope,
Nope. You got a plan for that sirloin?
nope. Trim it up,
Trim it up, season it up,
season it up, put her on there, let her go.
rip it, and let the big dog eat.
Yep,
All right. How about you, Angel? You got a plan over there?
put her in the Wagyu grower's hands, I
Not
guess.
really, other than use same seasonings I always use and make it work.
All right, Lindsay, I know
Hello.
you've been hiding in the background. Introduce
Of course I
yourself.
have. So I'm Lindsay McDonald from Springfield, working with Scott. Just starting to get into this and falling in love with it. So
You guys are new. You're traveling together.
yes, yep, we've done 4 trips together now this year. Having to go all the way down into Mississippi and Tennessee and hoping to get this going up in New England soon.
Awesome. Well, we're glad you're here. Thanks
Thank
for
you.
supporting him on this.
Absolutely.
Give-
Get that anxiety
Looks
with
tender.
it.
Yeah, it is. I'm going to pick it, I think.
What kind of rub you got going there, Angel?
SCA World Championship steak rub. Texas rub, good stuff. Cattle roaming in the background. They sure are delicious.
All right, so these are our New York strips that we're going to cook today. Look at these things. Not bad?
I'd eat it.
If I have to. I can't wait to eat it. What are you talking about?
You know?
Think you're gonna grab it by there again?
No, it was pretty hot.
Sunday mornings, have it.
I tell you what. Yeah, I used to own a breakfast restaurant. I've had a lot worse Sunday mornings.
Is that the temperature?
That's the temperature here right now.
That's in the shade.
That's in the shade. In PA.
How'd it turn out?
I believe it's over. Cooked fast.
Does that make you happy, Angie?
Yes, very.
Look over your left shoulder there.
Oh, they're so delicious. I mean, pretty.
A little better now that it's cut.
So what do you think are your chances today?
Again, I think I said it earlier, but they're having this war over here, this family feud, and I'm just gonna swoop right in because if I beat Angel, Todd's my new bestie. If I
Right.
beat Todd, Angel's my new bestie.
Mhm.
I don't see how I can go wrong.
Sounds like you're in a win-win unless they both beat you.
But yeah,
Well, there is that.
yep. Thanks.
All right, Angel, how do you feel about it?
I feel okay.
Feel okay?
A little more confident than Dad.
Come up here, we're gonna close up at the bottom. All right, looks good. Good job. Feel about it.
I thought I was over. Now I think I'm a little under, buddy.
All right, let's see it. Let's get a close up of that box. That's a good shot of the top of the box. How about what's in it?
Oh,
Oh, there it is. All right, perfect.
got it.
Looks good, buddy. Up high. Woohoo. Yep. All right, they all look good. Good luck.
Sirloin going on.
Hear that sizzle?
I do.
Hopefully it's better than the last one. Look at that. I'll still even help her, even though I'm competing against her.
Angel, how do you feel about this one?
Good, good.
Good. All right, Keith, how do you feel about this one?
A
buddy?
lot better about this one.
All right, looking good. How do you feel about it?
We're feeling. I think I missed the mark a little bit. But
Damn it. You probably win because I only put a 20.
if you don't make the mark in temp, you gotta throw a 50 in there.
Damn.
It multiplies with how far off you are. don't know
I
if they
should have
know.
put it.
You're a rep, you don't know that?
No, I only threw a 20. I didn't know you were going to go that deep in your pocket. Ah.
I mean, New England Patriots, Boston Red Sox, Cheaters, remember?
Yeah, I got you now.
Congratulations to our overall champion, Scott McDonald. Keith got second and Angel was in third. Make sure to look up STONEYRUN Farms for some incredible Japanese Wagyu beef. Thanks for hosting, guys. See you guys next week.